Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2018 Ford F-150 XLT in blue jean blue. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, brake assist, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 51,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch infotainment screen, rear backup camera, sync communication, split folding rear seats, 5.0-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5698A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.